Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Friend, today I'd like to show you how you can transfer file from your Windows PC to BlueStacks software or BlueStacks software to Windows PC. This is really so simple. For this you no need to any special software. So here you can see I'm using BlueStacks 4 version. So after open your BlueStacks software, you need to go to this option. Here you can see more apps. Just click on this icon, then you will see media manager. Open it. So after open media manager app, okay, here you can see some option: imported files, explorer, import from Windows, import export to Windows. So using this option you can import export file from your Windows to your BlueStacks software or BlueStacks software to Windows. So let me show you how you can do this. So first I like to show this option, import from Windows. So I'm selecting import from Windows. Here you can see one page pop up, so I like to select this file. Here you can see I already select some file. Here you can see apk file, PDF, image, video, audio file. So just select which file you want to import, then just select open. Okay, it will take some time, depend on file size. Okay, here you can see all my files are showing here. So in this way you can import files from your Windows PC to your BlueStacks software. So now I like to show you how you can export file from your BlueStacks software to your Windows PC. So select which file you want to export. For example, I like to export these two files. Okay, these three files in my Windows PC. So select your files, then just select this option, export to Windows. Okay, here you can see now you need to select file location where you want to export. I like to export desktop, then okay. Okay, here you can see file exports successfully. Here you can see all files are showing. So in this way you can import export file from your Windows to BlueStacks software or BlueStacks software to Windows. Now let me show you the second option, how you can import export file from your BlueStacks software to Windows or Windows to BlueStacks software. The second option is Explorer. You need to go to Explorer, then Windows, then BST shared folder. Here you can see the folder is empty because there is no file. Then you need to go to your Windows PC C drive. Here you can see one folder, program data. So if you do not see this folder, then just go to view section, then check this option, hidden items. Then you will see this folder. So after find this folder, go to this folder and then go to BlueStacks, then engine, then user data, and here you can see one folder called share folder. So here you can see the folder is empty because there is no file. Now to import or export files, you need to copy your files in this location to import file from your Windows to BlueStacks software. Let me show you. So I like to import these two files from my Windows to BlueStacks software. So copy and paste at this folder. Okay, here you can see here is my two files. Then again I need to go BST share folder. and here you can see my files. So in this way you can import file from your Windows PC to your BlueStacks software. If you want to export file from your BlueStacks software to your Windows PC, just reverse this process. Just copy files from BlueStacks to in this folder, and then go to your C drive and this folder, then you will find your files. So I hope now you know how you can transfer file from your Windows PC to BlueStacks software and BlueStacks software to Windows PC. I hope you like these tips and like this video. If you are, then hit the like button. If you want more tips and tricks video of this channel, then please subscribe this channel with the bell icon. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.